In a world dominated by debt and interest-bearing accounts, building financial security can feel like an ethical minefield. Modern finance teaches us that you cannot succeed without playing the banking system's game. But this is a massive illusion. You can build generational wealth using an ethical, cash-based system that remains entirely Shariah-compliant. To build true, clean wealth, you need a different blueprint. The first pillar of this strategy is aggressive cash flow budgeting. By treating physical currency as your primary tool, you eliminate the risk of accidental debt and high-interest traps. You become the absolute ruler of your capital. The second pillar is shifting your focus away from paper promises and toward tangible, real-world assets. Throughout human history, the most reliable storage of wealth has never been a fiat currency controlled by central banks. It has been physical assets like gold, silver, and productive real estate. These assets possess intrinsic value that inflation cannot easily wipe away. The third pillar is entering into equity-based investments rather than debt-based lending. In Shariah-compliant finance, money shouldn't just breed money through interest. Instead, capital should be risked in real businesses where you share in the actual profits and the actual losses. This includes backing ethical e-commerce brands, investing in dividend-paying stocks that do not deal in prohibited industries, or entering joint ventures with local business owners. So, what are the actionable steps? First, create a detailed budget using physical envelopes for each spending category. This makes your cash flow tangible and keeps you accountable. Second, build a physical emergency fund. Store 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a secure, accessible location. This is your buffer against life's uncertainties, completely detached from the banking system. Third, diligently screen your investments. Use Shariah-compliant screening tools to ensure your portfolio is free from companies involved in alcohol, gambling, pork, or conventional finance. Finally, seek out local partnerships. Investing in a small business in your community not only offers the potential for high returns, but also strengthens your local economy in an ethical way. When you shift your mindset from chasing interest to building real equity, your financial growth aligns perfectly with your personal values. You stop being a pawn in the banking system and start becoming a true asset builder. Subscribe to Finance Simplified for more tips.